Okay everyone, today we are doing a revisit of a Petro glide wash in Bradford with a MacNeil tunnel. So let's see how well it does. They have once again another brand new pay station. Pull up to it.
Welcome to Petro Canada. Please scan your ticket or car wash card.
This pay station is really far away from the other ones. Which is interesting. There we go. Then I have to hit a button. Yep, I do. There we go.
Your code has been authorized. Thank you for visiting Petro Canada.
There we go. We can go on in. Track starting to move. Thing will say go. So that's the end of the conveyor belt. We're at the tunnel. Okay, so I guess we will stop here and see how I've washed it. Okay, so the dryers didn't do well on both sides. Didn't do well here and here as well. Clean some of the box off the car, which is the main thing. Dryers didn't do well on both. Didn't do here. Didn't clean this off or fat here. On the back, a little bit of soap off the car. You can see the roof is a little bit red. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Dryers didn't do well here. It left a little bit of soap here and right here as well. And it didn't do well on the back bumper too. And here too. So yeah. Overall, it is a good wash and highly recommended, except for dryer. They need to fix on the dryers and give it stuff of soap. These washes these days I went to, it's hard to get off the soap off the car, and I understood that. Doesn't rinse well and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a 2019 revisit to the MacNeil tunnel at the Petro glide wash in Bradford. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video. And that will be it.